Okay, I'm doing another video. I have 300 something. That's not a lot. I have only 300.
Favorite, bro. I never had one. Like,
I have only 300. Yo, I have only 300. So like.
Ready, go, cause I'm.
No, anyway, I haven't been posting in a long time.
it's not even.
So like nobody watches my videos. But like I might start posting. But I post on PC. I don't know how to post shorts on PC. That's why I quit for a while. So I stopped. I don't know. As you can see, she keeps playing me,
Is this the offer that you want? All right.
Okay, guys, one sec. Guys, one sec. You're getting.
Flying and I steal one. Oh, bro, you were the murderer.
Oh shit!
I did it.
Guys, I don't.
My brother keeps saying it's.
How are we gonna beat the hacker, guys?
It's almost admins, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
What do we do?
How am I supposed to trade you? How am I supposed to?
Why are you using that?
No, but like my brother keeps saying it's an L.
No, wait, listen to me.
Bro, one of my hackers.
You can't use the RC.
I just want to accept that like my brother keeps saying it's an L.
You can't use it like that.
I know.
I'm not trolling you. I swear, dude. I'm not trolling.
Yeah, but it doesn't really work. I just realized it doesn't really work.
It does work.
No, it doesn't. Guys, what do you think we should do in the next video? What do you think? How we should beat this hacker, guys?
I don't know what to say, bro. I'm sorry.
He's using hacks like a little kid. You need hacks to win the game. It's an easy game to play. Chat, this is literally an easy game to play, and he has to hack. I'll just type it in chat. That's my YouTube channel.
I mean, like, I don't even know what to trade at this point. Yo, bro, hold up. Trade me, bro. I don't even know what to trade.
Guys, don't mind the sounds. That's just on my soundboard. It's supposed to do that.
Oh my god, bro.
And look at this hacker speed exploiting, bro. Yo, if the owner of the game sees this, okay, guys, look. Yo, if the owner of the game is seeing this, ban Carlos Fire 707. Wait, how about we just all report him? That's how we can get banned. And he leaves the game. Okay, do I end the video? Because he literally left the... Yo, guys, he literally left... Guys, he...
When I did that, he's gonna play.
Guys, he left the... Guys, we beat him. He literally left the game. K-Best... K-A-Y-E. Wait, let me just like...
Wait a minute.
Bro, like, guys, should I keep the video still? Should I keep the video? Like, do I post? Alright. I don't even know how to, wait, do you guys know how to make shorts on PC? I've been trying to make shorts on PC. I don't even know how. All I know how is to make videos.
Wait, I'm searching up his account.
Like, I don't have a lot, though.
He got banned. He actually got banned.
Well, let me